Hey guys, this is Sean over at Jaguar Power Sports located here in Jacksonville, Florida. If you're looking for a utility vehicle that is four-wheel drive, I want to introduce you to the 550 Massimo UTV. Now this guy is fully loaded. All the Massimos are fully loaded at one price. There's no a la carte pricing, there's no massive upgrades. These are fully loaded at one crazy low price. Now if you're not familiar with the Massimos, these are fully loaded, like I said, but a lot of the chassis, the frames, the motors are actually used on name brands. Honda, Kawasaki's Polaris, they've been manufacturing for over 20 years. So don't let the name fool you. These fully loaded units are absolutely great quality, and they have all parts and all services included. You get a 1-year warranty, you can upgrade it as well. So we're gonna do a quick little walk around. This 550cc not only has a tilt bed, this is the F version. Now the 550F has a tilt bed, but the one thing I really like on this one is the bed actually comes completely apart. So all four sides completely come apart. You can latch them for your bigger equipment. And unlike a traditional standard bed, this upgrade bed not only comes completely apart, but you do have the automatic tilt. And that is all included, all the hydraulics. Now this 550, I'm about 6'1", and you're gonna see how much leg room I have. And I do this for a purpose because someone that's 6'6", 6'7", this is a 2-passenger. We have 4, 5, and 6 passengers as well. That is a lot of room. You're gonna see how much leg room I got. I got almost half a foot of leg room, and I have a lot of height. You have the windshield that comes included. You have the mirrors that come included. You get the horn, the 4-wheel drive, and this thing is just absolutely amazing. These are strong, aggressive units. They are great off-road. We sell to a lot of municipalities. We sell to a lot of companies and businesses because they're starting to realize that a name brand unit is still outsourced out of the country. It's not what it used to be 15, 20 years ago. So all these units, these manufacturers, the Massimos, the Odes, the Hisense, a lot of their components and frames and engines and transmissions are actually made by the same factories that are producing the big names. No longer is a Honda the best out there or the Kawasaki out there. Like, these are actually some of the same parts and same components you'll find on a Honda, Kawasaki, Polaris. So this one has the winch that's included. You have a winch that's included that is a remote winch. You have, it's liquid cooled. You can add headlights, headlight bars. You have standard headlights that comes with it, but these have seat belts. You have the nets that come with them as well. And we have some models that you can upgrade it to doors, but these, you're not paying for every single option. If you were to compare apples to apples with this 550 to a name brand Fiat 550, you're gonna save about $6,000 to $7,000 just on the options that are included on the 550. You wanna make sure you like and subscribe our video for more great content. If you have any questions, please give our dealership a call at 904-693-1663. But this is the Massimo 550F UTV 4-wheel drive. If you have any questions, please check out our website, but make sure you check it, like, subscribe. If you have any questions, let us know. Bye.